guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a very exciting video. I have added 2 new skincare products in my nighttime routine that has been working wonders for me, and I wanted to come here and share it with you guys. I have been suffering from acne for the longest time, and after multiple visits to the dermat, I have finally managed to get rid of my acne, but I still have a lot of acne scars and also hyperpigmentation around my eyes, which I have been dealing with for the longest time, and these products are perfect to deal with that. Firstly, I have went ahead and cleansed my face with a cleanser and pat dry it, and as you can see, my skin is pretty much looking dry and chapped, especially around my mouth now, so we need to quickly take care of that. So let me show you those products. Firstly, I'll start off with my eye cream, and currently I am obsessed with this eye cream. This is the Earth Rhythm Depuff-Under Eye Gel, and oh my god, this product is so amazing. It has this metal tip which helps in depuffing your eyes and gives you that cooling sensation. Also, this is enriched with hyaluronic acid, which is great for hydration, and also have other ingredients like kojic acid and licorice extract, which helps in fading your dark spots and also has anti-inflammatory property in this. I suffer from puffy eyes in the morning a lot, and this has truly helped me in reducing my puffy eyes in the morning, and also has helped me in reducing my under eye darkness a little bit. Okay, so I completely forgot to put my hair back, and I'm sorry about that, but I have just prepped my skin for the next product, and you guys are going to love this product. This is the Earth Rhythm Renew Overnight Gel. This product has 70% snail mucin in this, and we know snail mucin does wonders for your skin. First and foremost, it's a great product for all skin types, but if you have dry skin, oh my god, this product is everything. It hydrates your skin so much without making it feel greasy. Snail mucin helps in reducing adult acne and the acne scars, also helps in firming your skin and repairs the damaged skin as well. So if you have damaged skin like I do currently, this product is just perfect for that because it gives your skin the moisture it requires. This right here is an overnight mask, so you have to apply this as the last step of your skincare. That's why I have already applied my serums and my moisturizer, and I'll be using it as my last step of my skincare. Look at the glow it instantly gives your face, and it just looks so good and so dewy. It just gives you that glazed donut look before you go to bed, and you know you're going to wake up with the most softest plump skin in the morning. Don't forget to check out this product. I will be leaving the links in the description box below so that you can go ahead and check them out. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and give this video a huge thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.